I wanted to share a recent feature that I built for a store. It's a revolving slider. So if you've ever seen on a website images that are slowly revolving or logos that are slowly revolving, that's what I built for this store. And so I just want to quickly show you how it works and demonstrate it on a live store. So let's come here. I'm going to add the section in like this. So basically how it works is you can add in images. So I'm going to add in a couple of images here and add this here. Let's add another one. And then let's add another one here. And then we'll add in another one here. We should be able to be good to go. You save that. And one thing you'll notice is you can adjust the slider speed. So the closer it is to 5, the quicker it is. The closer it is to 100, the slower it is. Some stores, some merchants like it slower, others like it quicker. So for this example, we're going to put it at 10, just so that it moves at a pretty good pace here. And then let's preview it so that we can see how it looks. And then you see it basically just goes like this. So you see the slider just keeps on going like this. And then once it gets to the end, it should just restart. So that's pretty much how this feature works. I thought it was a cool feature to share. If you're looking for this feature, I'm going to put all the information down below so that you can get this template, this section, and upload it to your store. If you'd like a copy or if you'd like to add something like this to your website, I'm going to put all the information down below. But a section like this is very helpful whether you want to display various logos that you offer. So let's say you're a clothing brand, you sell clothes like Nike, Adidas, Under Armour, different brands, and you want to display the different brands that you actually sell in your store, you could use a section like this. So that way you could just rotate and revolve through all the different brands on your store. And then of course you can customize how many images you want, how quickly the images rotate. But thought this could give you some ideas and just different ways to optimize your store. So hope this video was helpful. And if you're looking for any help with your Shopify website, feel free to send me an email, david@zqdo.info. Take a look at my website, see some of the projects that we've worked on, what other people have said. And then we also have a whole bunch of other digital products. If you come to, there's a link also down below our Etsy page, a lot of also helpful digital products for business owners that could be helpful. But once again, feel free to check all that out. And I hope this video was helpful. And please feel free to reach out if you have any questions.